How do you protect the privacy of your iPhone? Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So protecting the privacy is a very broad topic, but there are some things which you can change most definitely, right? And those can be found in the main settings app by going to the privacy and security section. In there, we can just begin straight from the top, right? We have the location services. So it depends on how you want to have it, but I wouldn't recommend you to turn it off completely because sometimes it's useful, but I would just manage the apps, right? For example, for my maps, I want the app to access my location, but some other things like, I don't know, like camera app or like a clock app, whatever, like those random apps, I don't believe that it's necessary for those to access my camera and the location, right? And yeah, you can set it up like this. You can also just go to the options like below. We have the tracking, which you can change. You can see which applications can access your contacts, which apps can access your photos, camera, microphone, all of that kind of thing. You have to go through individual things in order to make your phone as private as possible. So for example, you don't want some applications to like have the ability to listen to you through the microphone, so you can turn it off for those, right? So that's very useful stuff. Keep in mind, however, that there is also like you get a pop-up, you get an indicator of a either like orange or a green dot, whether your like when your phone is accessing the camera or microphone. So you'll always know if an app is using that. And you can also go to the control center, and at the top you'll see which app is currently using and accessing your location as well, but the microphone and camera. So that's very useful for your privacy because you can always stay on the top of your things. So if there is something specific which you had in mind, let me know about it below. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it, but subscribe for the next upcoming tutorials, and I'll talk to you soon.